ke Central Executive Committee jangka HSPDP mentaka sngi ke RPR tarik uleber hajar RPR kala shimne karai ban pen kreat no shat naga bentaka Election MLA kaban Shillong House nam hajar RPulai. Habakran berkila pathai kubor u presiden jangka seng u bako pangnyang ulaong bakajingya kran kadang yad menta naga benta ban yakran bat kiseng Riewlum ban iakhun lang kawai kabor naga bentaka election kaban Shillong.
And today we are very happy to inform you that we have received brief report from all the district committees, which we have already directed last year in the CEC to reorganize the party. But today we found that almost all the district committees of the party, they are trying their best to re-strengthen the party, to move the party forwards. And today, at the same time, we have decided to redirect or to give the direction again to all the district committees and the youth wing and including the women's wing to go forward and to organize the party effectively. Lastly, we have had a discussion, the so-called alliance of the HSPDP with the UDP and also with the other regional parties in the state. With regard to this matter, the party today we decided that we are yet to take a final call because we feel that let first the Regional Democratic Alliance took the initiative, will take the initiative, will call the meeting, they will convene the meeting. Then after the RDA has taken whatever step it feel appropriate and deemed fit, then the party again, we will sit together and we will go accordingly whatever the RDA decide upon. That's all today we have decided in the CEC of the party.
Uba pangyang ulaya ru halor kejinya cakmat jangka sorkar jela menpende je uput usam hapedeng ke Meghalaya bat ke Assam.
We have seen on the ground that the seriousness of taking the action to settle the so-called long pending dispute has been taken place. To me personally, I feel that whatever the three regional committees of the government of Meghalaya along with the Assam government, they have done a good homework because right from the beginning we start the negotiation, we start the spot inspection, we start the settlement. Everybody have been taken into board into the same direction, and chance has been given to all those stakeholders like the district council, HIMAS, landowners, NGOs, various political parties have been the member in the committee. So I feel that what we have done for those 6 areas of difference, we have done accordingly to the wish and mutual understanding of the people of those so-called dispute area.